Welcome, in front of me is a Vivo V20 SE, and today I will show you how to go through the setup process of this device. So once you boot it up for the first time, you'll be presented with the screen as you can see right over here, and all you need to do to start off is choose your desired language. I will be sticking with English, but if you want to change it, you can simply tap right over here and find your language. Then let's select Start, and we can now select our location. So choose your correct location. From there we have user agreement. So obviously end user license agreement, you need to select agree before I can proceed any further. We have some privacy terms, see if we need to agree to them, and it looks like we do also have to agree to them. So there we go, select next. Some more privacy terms for e-warranty card. Again, I guess we need to agree to that one as well. I'm pretty sure there was a better way to do it than just force you to agree to everything. There we go, like this. But yeah, once you do agree to most of this, you can then go to the next page, which is connecting to Wi-Fi. Now this step is optional and you don't actually have to do it. By skipping it, you will lose the ability to log into Google account, assuming you also didn't insert a SIM card. So basically, if you don't have any kind of network connection, date and time won't be set automatically and Google page won't show up at all. So I'm gonna go to the next page. Then I have date and time. So like I said, it's not being set automatically. So here I can fix up the time, considering it's incorrect, but all you need to do is just tap on it, set your correct time, and actually we're supposed to click on OK. There we go. And from there we can tap on next, which brings us to the Google services. We have location, scanning, and sending user and diagnostic data. Now you can tap on an arrow to expand it and read exactly what these do, and at the end of the day, if you don't like it, you can disable them. Then scroll down, select accept to go to the next page, which allows you to set up a screen lock. So we have a couple different ways. We have face recognition, fingerprint, and also PIN pattern and password. Now if you choose to select any of these two below one, so fingerprint or Face ID, I can set both of them up or only one of them. You will always be required to set up a physical screen lock, so that'd be PIN pattern or password. But if you want to set up only a screen lock, you don't actually have to set any of these. Now I'll set up just a pattern here. So once you choose one of those, it automatically goes into a PIN for the screen lock. So we can tap right here to change the unlocking method. So I'm gonna go with the pattern, draw the pattern, tap on next, redraw the same one, confirm, and this will automatically set it up. And I'm gonna skip the rest. Then we have keep system up to date. So we have two choices. We can either install manually, so you basically have to go into settings and look for the updates yourself, or by tapping on next it will do it for you. I assume when you're not using the device, so sometimes, for instance, during nighttime. And this finishes up the setup, so select use now and we should see the home screen. And there it is. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.